Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Super 7 Slots Plus. We are in the Atlantis in Reno. We're playing Lightning Cash, and it's called Tiki Fire. I've never played this one before, but I think the gist is that you got to get the 6 of the like fireballs things, and then 3 of the volcanoes give you the bonus round. The grand is 105,000. The major is 5,900. And wish me luck. Here we go. I don't know what's wild yet. I'll figure it out. Okay.
Probably the totems.
The totems? Okay. Yeah, these are those fireballs or are those suns?
Same difference.
Okay. Oh, we need to turn up the winnability. I think it is up all the way, huh?
You just turned it up.
There we go. Now I can hear it. That's kind of neat, huh? I win. Oh, I did pretty good on that one. I guess that butterfly is worth a lot. I got 4. Oh. I got 2. I think the volcanoes are the wild. Not the wild, but the extra bonus. My throat is so dry. Oh, just passed. You missed it. You're not even paying attention.
I'm looking at something.
So I got a water in here too. Let me finish it off first. Got 2 of the volcanoes.
Yeah.
Always a day late and a dollar short, right?
It always is.
Yeah. I needed 3 more. So dry. That's one thing about up here, it's so dry. Oh.
It's not a biscuit.
At least it gave me a volcano so I can see how that game plays.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got the parrots. That one.
That would have been a chunkless.
For us.
Yeah.
Is that you?
No, that's the game.
That's crazy. That drives me nuts. Oh, come on. You can do it. Be something good. Fireball, so let's see what we can do. Come on. Fireball, 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 fireball. do that again.
10 more times.
More than that.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool the way the Tiki turns and stuff.
Keeps your tensions.
Oh, another mini.
Hold on, you got that.
The lady's kind of
That's not very nice.
She can't hear me.
So, as a guy, I would say wood. Wood.
Would? What do you mean?
Look
You
it up.
would? You would? I don't know. She's kind of creepy.
You're not a woman,
I
though.
don't know, but she's creepy. She's got that thing cut in her hair. But to each their own, right? I got the parrot up here. That's worth a lot.
That's a girl right
Oh, it's up there.
there. He's $50.
$69.
Nice. We're just saying wood.
It kind of all went together, right? Oh, I needed one more volcano. Huh?
Oh, darn.
I want to get the volcano so I can see what it does. Does it do similar to that what that one does? That would have been a good one. $100.
That was up.
There's the mini.
All the suns.
Yes.
Ooh, and you got good ones too. Look at that.
And the mini.
You
Yeah.
got like $400. You ready?
Yep. Oh, wait, hold on a second. Yeah. Can I get a glass like that, but with a 7 and 7 double shot? I like the fatter glass.
Oh yeah, of course.
The 7 with the double shot. I've been getting it all day, that's why.
Yeah, just not
Okay, that's what it's
I'll try.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, now you can do it. Yep. Okay, so I got the 6 fireballs, or whatever you call them, and I got some pretty good ones. So come on, let's see what we can do. Come on. Major.
Major. Whoa, another chunk guy. Major. Nice. Oh, man. Look at that major. Yeah. Grand. Major.
Yeah, fireball. Save it. Yes. Oh, 3 of them.
3 more?
Let's go. Oh, I saw the
Yeah, I
miner.
did too.
Come on, I'll take the miner.
Save it.
Save it. Oh.
It's a good one. Very good one.
Yeah. Even making up all the money I lost over there.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to get video done.
What game you've never played? Very nice.
$5.50.
That's a spicy meatball right there.
got more than my money back. Come on, give me those volcanoes. Oh, I got two. That's pretty good. Look at the billowing smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
Now it's just three spots. Right?
Okay, so I got the three volcanoes. First time I've got them, so we're going to see what it actually does. Okay, I'm not sure. I've never done it before.
That's three spots.
Okay, you ready? Oh, you get the times two.
Come on now, no cuts. Come on, bonus and bonus and bonus. Bonus and bonus.
Oh, the butterflies. Yeah, bonus and a bonus.
We need to give you some bonus, some bonus. The bonus, some bonus.
Yeah, it was okay first time. I like it better than that one. I don't like the middle thing, you know, where it's all kind of broken up. You got three on each side and the big middle one. I just don't like that one.
It's annoying, yeah. Come on, give her some good ones, game. All the suns, all the suns.
One more. Oh. What? Oh. Okay, everyone, that concludes this session. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.